Loading pellet grills can sometimes be cumbersome and messy. With Coyote, they've engineered the perfect way to do it. All you have to do is simply open the hopper drawer and you have access to the pellets. Remember when you're selecting pellets that there are two kinds. There's the kind to heat your home and there's the kind to cook with. The kind to cook with are food safe and are the only kind you ever want to use. And they're available in a wide variety of flavors. The innovation of the easy-to-load pellet hopper makes it so accessible. And you can put whatever flavor you want in there. You can get a competition blend, apple wood, hickory wood, whatever you can find. You can take your favorite recipes and add smoke to them.